Hi, my name is Addie and these are my cousins. We will be pressure washing the tractor for sandblasting. But first, we gotta get this thing out of here.
Yeah!
Actually, but first we're gonna fix this.
Let's do this! Woohoo!
All done. Now we just have to put it away.
The tractor fell off the skates.
A little higher. A little higher.
About this
And
big.
good. Go. Down.
Push it. Okay, right there.
Yeah! Did it! Yeah!
Okay,
Let's push.
push it in.
We're doing it.
Okay, that's probably good enough.
Yeah! To find out more about the John Deere L tractor that we are restoring, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!